Namaste and welcome to you all on the last day
Good
of this.
afternoon, sir.
Good
Good
afternoon, ma'am.
afternoon, sir.
On the last date of this capacity development program, and on this day we are dealing with three chapters, three topics: socio-emotional learning, transformational leadership, and digital well-being. So these three sessions will be taken up by our experts. And the first session is about socio-emotional learning. Right? It is a word that is very much common nowadays. Uh, socio-emotional learning. It doesn't mean that socio-emotional learning was not there earlier, but the rapid changing of socio-economic conditions forced us, and the lifestyle, living single or nuclear families. So there are different factors that has counted a lot on the social emotional learning. And today, uh, this socio emotional learning uh, will be discussed by our expert, Dr. Jyoti Devrishi. Dr. Jyoti Devrishi is presently
Namaskar,
working in
sir.
Mehta Vidyalaya, and she is a clinical psychologist. She has done his PhD from MS University, Baroda, and uh, she is associated with CBSE in different projects. And presently, she is the telecounselor of Mano Darpan Counseling Helpline. And she is doing this job from 2020. Before this, there was a program known as Adolescence Education Program. So she was also associated with that program. And besides all these, there are so many problems of the children are there in the school. So she is dealing with them. She is a school counselor. So she is doing a wonderful job, and almost in every session, because we are living in the society, we have our emotions. So every time we call her for a briefing, our teachers about the social emotional problems, social emotional intelligence. So this time also we have requested her, and I'm very happy to see that
Thank
she
you,
is
sir.
here.
Thank you, sir.
So, ma'am, the stage is all set for you. You're
Sir, I hope
welcome
I'm audible.
to take your session. Yes, yes, you are audible.
I'm audible. Okay. So, once again, a very good afternoon to all of you. And good afternoon, sir. I think first of all, I would thank you for giving me this opportunity because I feel every time we talk about these issues, we talk about psychological issues, we talk about emotional, social, or any other thing. It's a revision for me. And I also get to learn so many things when, teachers ask me questions. So every time it's a learning experience for me also. So thank you so much, sir, once again for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
So I'll just share my screen. Sir, I hope it is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is.
Yes,
Uh, Akshay, I want to increase the size. How do F5 or
Yes,
मैं
yes, yes,
भूल
ma'am.
जाती हूँ.
Please press F5, ma'am.
F5.
Yes, yes.
But it's not happening. I'm pressing it.
Okay, no problem, ma'am. You can.
F5 ना हाँ नहीं हो रहा
Yes.
है ये. I don't know.
Ma'am, you are on laptop.
Yes.
Okay,
Please
please
go to
press.
slideshow.
A slideshow. Actually, so we have now getting habit of Google Meet, so we are forgetting Zoom now.
Ma'am, you can also press FN and then F5 together.
FL.
FN की होती है ना मैम?
Okay, okay.
FN की.
FN.
Yes. Plus
Hanji.
F5.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Mm, Just 1 minute. Yes. Thank you so much, Akshay. So, we start the session, and the session is on social emotional learning needs of children. So, we would be talking about their social emotional needs. Now, so agenda for today is understanding the term healthy identities. So, let's understand who is a healthy child. Then I am going to talk about emotions, why it is important to have a session like this. Why are we talking about social emotional needs of children? We are teachers, we are parents, but it is very important for us to know that social emotional needs of every child is to be addressed. Then we would focus on knowing what are the social emotional needs. First of all, क्यों पढ़ना है, क्यों जानना है social emotional needs, and then what are the social emotional needs. Then what are the signs of poor social emotional health? When do you know that the child is having poor social emotional health? And then, of course, role of teacher, parent, and school in nurturing social emotional intelligence of children. Honestly, I tell you, this is a very broad topic, and I think we can go on for hours discussing on this topic, but I have tried to, compile this topic in another half an hour, 40 minutes I have. So let's go ahead. Now, who is a healthy child, or I say healthy identity? Basically, there are 4 areas of development: social, physical, intellectual, emotional. As parents, we care a lot about their physical health. ये नहीं खा रहा है, वो नहीं खा रहा है, और सब चीजें हम as parents we keep exchanging also. ये नहीं खाता है, डॉक्टर मैं क्या करूं, what should I do? बच्चा बहुत fussy eater है. So we, of course, we stress a lot on their physical need. But if you want a healthy identity, if you want a healthy child, the child should be physically healthy as well as socially healthy. Very important. Make sure sufficient social development is going on. He is getting social exposure. Intellectual development hona chahiye, learning, experimenting, creative thinking, everything is going on. And of course, emotional development. So all the four you can say these are the wheels of a car, ना जैसे 4 पहिए चाहिए एक कार को बैलेंस करने के लिए. So is life. So you need these 4 wheels basically to ensure that the child is on the right track. I just need a minute. So social, physical, intellectual, and emotional, 4 pillars of a healthy identity. Now, emotions. We all know what are emotions. And thanks to WhatsApp emojis, हम समझ गए हैं कि इमोशन सिर्फ गुस्सा या सैड होना या रोना या हंसना नहीं होता है. देयर आर सो मेनी इमोशंस, एंड ये इमोजीज तो थोड़े से हैं. अदरवाइज जब हम एक व्हाट्सएप पे टाइप भी करते हैं, एटलीस्ट 50 इमोजीज आर देयर. सो 50 इमोशंस तो व्हाट्सएप पे ही हैं. So emotions are very important part. We have positive emotions and negative emotions. We have to understand here, positive emotions will uplift your child. ठीक है? Will help all the 4 pillars, social, emotional, physical and intellectual जो pillars हैं उसको grow करने में positive emotions help करेंगे, and negative emotions will definitely bring down these 4 pillars. So make sure emotions जो हैं बच्चों के वो आप monitored रखें. Is the child showing positive emotion most of the time or always negative, or it's a mix? Now, emotional development of child. When we say emotional, see, when I'm saying emotional, it is emotional and social because they both are interlinked. So when I say emotional development, I mean social emotional development of child or any adolescent depends a lot on his age, maturity, intellectual development, temperament, family experience, cultural background, everything. So my emotional journey may be different from yours. And if there are 5 children in a room, everyone would have its own emotional journey depending upon his maturity level, his family, kitna family ka support hai, how understanding the family is. If there are lot of issues, if there are a lot of issues in the family, the parents are regularly fighting with each other, then definitely the child will not grow up as a healthy emotional person, right? So a lot depends upon the exposure also and how much support the family is giving. So when I see an aggressive person, na, ऐसा नहीं कि he was born aggressive. Of course, there was a streak. कुछ लोगों में aggressive streak होती है, but lot depends upon the exposure also, the family background also, the family support also. Now, that's why, when a child fights in my school, I ask the parents, how often do you people fight? तो ऐसा नहीं कि अगर बच्चा लड़ रहा है स्कूल में, बहुत एग्रेसिव है, हिट कर दिया, तो कहीं ना कहीं ही इज रोल प्लेइंग, ही इज डिपिक्टिंग समवन, ही इज कॉपिंग समवन. सो मैं हमेशा पेरेंट्स से पूछती हूँ कि आप लोग लड़ते हैं घर में, या आप आर यू पीपल यूजिंग रॉन्ग लैंग्वेज? प्लीज टेल मी अबाउट समथिंग अबाउट इट. बिकॉज बच्चा अगर लड़ रहा है, एग्रेसिव हो रहा है, तो डेफिनेटली ही इज पिकिंग इट फ्रॉम समवेयर. नाउ, is it normal to express emotions? Yes. See, this is the most important slide, and I want all the teachers and parents, we are parents also, to understand that please tell your child that it is important to express emotions. अब हर टाइम खुश नहीं रह सकते. अगर आपको कोई चीज गलत लग रही है, प्लीज से नो. इफ यू आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल, रेज योर वॉइस. अगर मम्मी ने कुछ कहा और आपको वो अच्छा नहीं लगा, प्लीज टेल मम्मा, मम्मा आई डिड नॉट लाइक दिस, प्लीज. स्कूल में कुछ हुआ है, कहीं कुछ हुआ है, प्लीज कम एंड टेल मी. यू डोंट नीड टू हाइड योर इमोशंस. इफ समथिंग यू डिडंट लाइक, प्लीज एक्सप्रेस, प्लीज शेयर. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू रिमाइंड दिस. अपने बच्चों को प्लीज रिमाइंड कराते रहिए कि कुछ भी होता है, अच्छा बुरा, गुड बैड, प्लीज कम एंड शेयर. दिस नीड्स अ रिवीजन. Keep telling your children. I just thought I'll just share. See, these are the list of emotions, or I think this is just half of the list. So emotions, we all are full of emotions, and it is important to teach our children to express emotions. Now, my third agenda was why we are talking about emotional stability. भाई क्या क्या हो गया, क्यों हम इतनी social emotional stability की बात कर रहे हैं, growth की बात कर रहे हैं? India is the youth suicidal capital. And the data I have picked up from relevant newspapers and journals. So every 90 minutes, a teenager tries to commit suicide in India. In India, suicide and self-harm are the leading cause of death among 15 to 25. According to ICMR, this is the Indian Council of Medical Research, 12.8 adolescents suffers from psychiatric disorder. This data is of 2022. So you can imagine that definitely अगर कम नहीं ज्यादा नहीं हुआ है तो 12.8 तो है ही. In children, in India, children with mental disorders are mostly undiagnosed. By the time they show total signs of depression, there is a breakdown. Then you realize, then the parents come to me. Very recently, I met a mother. The child is in 12th. He was giving his boards. In fact, he couldn't give his last 2 papers because he had a severe panic attack. कभी आइडेंटिफाई नहीं हुआ कि वो उसके एक्सप्रेशंस कैसे थे. वो फिस्ट को अपनी टाइट कर लेता था अक्सर. वो अपने एक्सप्रेशंस कभी पेरेंट्स ने नोट नहीं किया. जब पूरा ब्रेक डाउन हो गया, तब पेरेंट्स ने रियलाइज किया कि दिस इज समथिंग वेरी सीरियस. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम simple signs of anxiety and depression, they go undiagnosed because we can't imagine our children having depression unless they come and tell us. Now, this is Hindustan Times ki heading of 2020. This is 2020. According to an estimate, a fifth of Indian adolescents have emotional learning and developmental issues, while an eighth have serious mental health issues. Mental illness rates are highest in the age group of 15 to 44. Again, this is from Times of India. Indian schools became the new drugs heaven, with New Delhi leading the state. Now, why do they go for drugs? If they are socially, emotionally satisfied if they are socially, emotionally, well developed, they would never go towards drugs. It's only when they have something missing, when their social development or emotional development is lacking or something is missing in their lives, only then these children move towards drugs. So today, when I talk about social emotional needs, I will divide this topic into two groups. One is the pre-adolescent age, that is till 10 years, and then is the adolescent. So I would be discussing social emotional needs of children, you can say, and then adolescents. So first we'll start with children. Now, emotions, okay. So joy, anger, hatred, love, jealousy, happiness, ये तो थोड़े से मैंने इमोशंस कुछ स्लाइड में शेयर किए हैं. एज आई शोड यू द स्लाइड 2-3 स्लाइड्स बैक, बहुत सारे इमोशंस है हम सब में. सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट you give every emotion a valid response. Only children know how they feel, and they may not be able to express it verbally. So when your child is not talking, or the child says बस आज मूड नहीं है, आज कुछ नहीं करना है, there is something which is going in his mind and he is not able to tell you, वो बता नहीं पा रहा है, उसको शब्द नहीं मिल रहा है. So try to interact with the child. All feelings are valid. Never say ये तो ऐसे ही करता है, ये तो हमेशा गुस्सा ही रहता है, ये तो हमेशा चिड़चिड़ा ही रहता है. Do not say that. Every emotion has a reason. It is important to teach children to express their emotion. This I've already covered. But never say कि ऐसे ही करता है. अगर वो ऐसे कुछ कर रहा है तो उसका definitely कोई reason है. गुस्सा भी अगर कर रहा है, if your child is showing too much anger, please try to find a reason. Every emotion has a reason. Okay, the most important emotion which I want to address here when we talk about social emotional learning is anger. Now, anger is a completely normal human emotion, right? And हम अक्सर कहते हैं ना बच्चों को कि गुस्सा मत करो, गुस्सा मत किया करो. या समटाइम्स when a child comes and tells कि मम्मा उसने मुझे मारा था, या उसने मुझे बैड वर्ड बोला, या उसने मुझे, और आप क्या कहोगे, गुस्सा मत करो, आप मत किया करो गुस्सा. आई थिंक दैट इज नॉट द राइट वे वी आंसर. सिर्फ इतना बोल देना कि ठीक है आप मत गुस्सा करिए, पर आप ये सोचिए अगर आपको कोई चलते चलते आपके वर्क प्लेस में धक्का मार दे, या आपके साथ कोई मिसबिहेव करे, तो क्या आपको गुस्सा नहीं आएगा? बिल्कुल गुस्सा आएगा. तो बच्चे से ये ना कहें कि गुस्सा मत करिए. टेल योर चाइल्ड हाउ टू एक्सप्रेस योर इमोशन. अगर बच्चा आके आपसे कहता है दैट मम्मा दैट बॉय हिट्स मी, डोंट से ओके यू डोंट हिट बैक एंड आप मत लड़ा करो. आप you tell him, I can understand you must be feeling angry, और आपको बहुत गुस्सा आया होगा, बट उसने आपको मारा है तो आपने हाथ नहीं उठाना है, आपने जाके टीचर को बताना है, या आप मुझे बताना, आई विल कम टू योर टीचर एंड आई विल डिस्कस. सो नेवर टेल योर चाइल्ड कि गुस्सा मत करो. अगर कोई बात गलत है, डू कम एंड टेल मी. Do express that you were angry. I know. Tell them, yes. अगर मुझे भी बेटा कोई धक्का मारता तो मुझे भी गुस्सा आता. Yes, आपका गुस्सा आना is totally fine. But उसको express कैसे करना है? आप टीचर से कंप्लेन करिए, आप मम्मा को आके बताइए. So this is how you have to teach your child not to suppress anger, but to express anger in a non-aggressive way. And this is something which goes on. आप शायद उसको शुरू करेंगे से इन नर्सरी क्लासेस. आई थिंक बाय द टाइम द चाइल्ड विल रीच 5th-6th, वो शायद उसमें इम्बाइब तब जाके होगा कि मुझे तो अपना गुस्सा तो एक्सप्रेस करना है. अगर मुझे किसी की बात अच्छी नहीं लगी है, आई हैव टू डेफिनेटली से दैट आई डिड नॉट लाइक इट, डू नॉट डू इट अगेन, बट इन अ नॉन एग्रेसिव वे. And also tell them that blaming, accusation, threat, physical contact, name calling, all these are aggressive responses. Verbal communication is a passive way. Do tell us if you feel angry. Do report your anger, but in a non-aggressive way. Okay. So this is one thing. Never tell your child, do not get angry. People will get angry if they are mistreated, but teach them how to behave at the moment. Now, other ways, other techniques which you can tell your child is, say count from 1 to 10. फर्स्ट काउंट, अगर बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है तो 1 से 10 काउंट करो. ये सारी चीजें, मूव फ्रॉम दैट प्लेस. सी, समटाइम्स इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट टू टीच चिल्ड्रन कि बेटा अगर आपके साथ कोई मिसबिहेव कर रहा है ना, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड, गुस्सा आता है, जस्ट मूव आउट फ्रॉम दैट प्लेस, just move from that place, okay? So similar conversations you can have with your child, and do talk about anger, do talk about these things, fights and all, and do address all their queries very nicely. See, remember one thing, जब गुस्सा आता है ना तो एड्रिनल रश होता है हमारा, which affects our judgment most of the time. इवन एज एडल्ट्स वी रियलाइज कि ओहो, मैंने उस समय गुस्से में क्या बोल दिया, मुझे नहीं बोलना चाहिए था. बट अगर शायद हम ये चीजें प्रैक्टिस करें ना, हम 10 तक काउंट करें या हम उस जगह से हट जाएं, तो आई थिंक हमारी बहुत सारे एपिसोड्स ऑफ फाइट कम हो जाएंगे. बट एज वी से कि बोलना आसान है, कई बार करना मुश्किल होता है. बट येस, एटलीस्ट वील ट्राई टू इम्बाइब दीज हैबिट्स इन us and in our children. Happiness, again, very important for parents and teachers to know that happiness is a medicine for their social emotional development. See, when a child is happy, the pleasure center of the brain, it releases chemical which gives them a feeling of satisfaction, pride, happiness, and that feeling helps them to learn more. अक्सर हमें देखा है कि पेरेंट्स कई बार पढ़ा रहे होते हैं ना, तो बहुत डांट के, वो हाथ में स्केल होता है कि बोलो बोलो, और बच्चा और कंफ्यूज हो जाता है, वो और आंसर भूल जाता है, वो और नहीं पढ़ पाता. क्यों? क्योंकि आपने उस समय उसको कंफ्यूज कर दिया. बट अगर इफ यू आर रिलैक्स्ड, इफ यू आर पेशेंट, इफ यू मेक द चाइल्ड लिटिल comfortable and happy, I think his pleasure center will be more active and he will be able to give more responses. So make sure, जब आप बच्चे को पढ़ा रहे हैं खासकर, मेक श्योर दैट it should be in a happy mood. I can understand as parents and teachers it is not easy, but we have to have patience. अगर हम ही patience नहीं रख पा रहे हैं अपनी, तो how do we expect the child to keep patience, right? And one thing, whenever parents come to me, one thing जब वो बताते हैं कि मैम ऐसा है ऐसा है ऐसा है, my first question is always, is your child a happy child? Is he a happy child? और तब parents, most of the time parents are not able to answer me that question. So it is very important that your child is a happy child. Okay, another social emotional learning, or you can say a feature which you need to be very vigilant if your child shows a a sadness, a feeling of sadness. See, sometimes if your child is sad, it is absolutely okay. कई बार बच्चे बोलते हैं मम्मा आज पढ़ना नहीं है, या वो ज्यादा बात नहीं करेंगे, या they would be just roaming in the house, or little upset, little irritable, एक दो दिन, ओके, एब्सोल्युटली ओके. मान लीजिए घर में कुछ मिसहैप हुआ है, कोई डिस्ट्रेसिंग सिचुएशन हुई है, लॉस ऑफ डियर और नियर वन, कुछ ऐसा हुआ है, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड. बच्चा उदास होगा, सैडनेस होगी फॉर मे बी 2 days, 1 week. बट इफ यू फील कि सिचुएशन इज गोइंग वर्स्ट, बच्चा सैड जो था वो रेशियो ना धीरे धीरे कम होना चाहिए. पर अगर आपको लग रहा है कि नहीं, वो रेशियो बढ़ रहा है सैडनेस का, एंड इफ योर child shows symptoms like frequent sad look, cries often, talks about sad memories, is not able to concentrate, छोटी छोटी बातों पे अगर रो देता है, इरिटेबल बिहेवियर है उसका, अटेंशन सीकिंग बिहेवियर है, या डिफिकल्टी इन मेकिंग फ्रेंड्स, स्कूल में फाइट्स हो रही हैं उसकी, ही इज नॉट स्लीपिंग प्रॉपरली, और खा पी नहीं रहा है, खाना पीना कम हो गया है, doesn't like to interact with the family members, और फिजिकल कंप्लेन ज्यादा हो रही है, पेट दर्द हो रहा है छोटी छोटी बातों पे, सर दर्द हो रहा है, मेरे हाथ में दर्द हो रहा है, पैर में दर्द हो रहा है. इफ योर चाइल्ड इज कंप्लेनिंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स फॉर क्वाइट सम टाइम, please consult a doctor for the same, or if you have the school counselor, please consult. It could be anything. ये कुछ भी हो सकता है, इसको प्लीज लाइटली मत लीजिएगा. शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ सैडनेस इज ओके, बट अगर आपका बच्चा ये सारी चीजें symptoms for a long time, if your child is showing, this could be anything, this could be a child abuse or anything, कोई fear हो सकता है उसके मन में, कुछ भी हो सकता है. So please talk to your child. If the child is not telling you anything, please consult the school counselor or a psychologist. So this is a very important social and emotional feature of your child. Fear. Now, again, a very important social emotional learning in children. Being fearful and learning to cope with those fear is a major part of emotional development. बच्चे डरेंगे और उसको उस fear से cope करना भी सीखेंगे, you know. So fear is a protective response. The child has to decide, should I run away or should I face it? So कई बार हम बच्चे को सिखाएंगे कि नहीं, आपने उसको फेस करना है, और कभी नहीं, यू हैव टू सिंपली मूव अवे. सो फियर इज अगेन अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट social emotional learning which you have to imbibe in your child. Now it is very important for us to know that kids may fear darkness, animals, stories, monsters, imaginary creatures, storm, anything. They are also scared of supernatural powers. I'll share with you, this was just before sorry this just after the new year party. One of my known person, he came to me that, ma'am, my child has started bedwetting since new year party, and the child is in 6 now, you know, तो and he never did bedwetting before. अब जनवरी से कुछ शुरू हुआ है bedwetting, और अभी ही they came to me in the last week of February. So एक डेढ़ महीने से bedwetting हो रहा है. We have gone through all the tests, all the doctor is saying he is having some fear. So जब बच्चे से पूछा गया तो बच्चे ने बताया that मुझे ना कैरेक्टर्स दिखाई देते हैं, बहुत मॉन्स्टर्स दिखाई देते हैं, और वो मुझे रात को पकड़ने आते हैं, ये वो ऐसे ऐसे रोके. जब बहुत पूछा कहाँ देखते हो, तो चाचू मूवीज देखते हैं हॉरर, तो मैं उनके साथ जाके बैठता हूँ, तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है देखने. तो उसने शायद कुछ मूवीज उनके साथ बैठ के देखी हैं, और तब से वो बच्चा इतना डरा हुआ है दैट ही इज बेड वेटिंग. नाउ when I discussed this with the father said, yes, my brother has a habit of seeing these horror movies, और मुझे नहीं पता था कि इसने कुछ मूवीज देखी हैं. और वो एक 6th का बच्चा जो कि 7th में आने वाला है, इमेजिन करिए, almost 10 years old, he got so terrified that he was doing bedwetting. So anyways, he's under counseling, and we are trying to fade his memories, but it takes time. It takes time. So make sure your children are not watching these horror movies, so-called these monster characters. They are not good for their social emotional development. Children must learn to talk about fears, learn to understand the real and reasonable fears. Like it is very important you talk to them about good touch and bad touch. Okay, it's important you talk to them about fire, strangers, heights. It is very important. At the same time, also talk about things like, कि अगर आपको किसी से डर लगता है किसी चीज से, तो you have to come and share with me. Please discuss all these issues with your children. अगर आप देखते हो कि कोई नॉर्मल सी हॉरर मूवी है, टेल योर चाइल्ड, इवन इफ ही इज नॉट वॉचिंग. मान लीजिए कोई एडवर्टीजमेंट है जहाँ पे कोई मॉन्स्टर बना हुआ है, यू टेल योर चाइल्ड, बेटा ये ना एक कार्टून कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं, दे आर नॉट रियल. इवन अगर बच्चा पूछ रहा है नहीं पूछ रहा है, मत पूछिए. जिस बच्चे की बात मैं आपसे कर रही थी जनवरी में, अगर वो बच्चा अपने चाचू से पूछ लेता या अपने पापा से बात कर लेता, तो शायद ये फियर उसमें इतना इम्बाइब नहीं होता. बट उसने इन कैरेक्टर्स को इतना स्ट्रांगली ले लिया, इतना सीरियसली ले लिया, दैट ही स्टार्टेड bedwetting. So do talk about fears. Children develop new fears also, sometimes divorce of parents, separation, death, and even these war newses and corona. I've seen some children having anxiety attacks after they have gone through this corona period. So all these things also talk about, their social emotional struggles. But yes, always talk to them about their fears. अगर वो बात नहीं भी करे, जैसे गुड टच बैड टच है, talk to them about all this. There are 4 areas on the body which no one is supposed to touch. You have to be like a child to teach a child. So as teachers तो हम कर लेते हैं, but as parents also कई बार हम घर जाके वो चीज नहीं करते जो हम शायद स्कूल में करते हैं. But yes, do talk about all these issues with your children. Now, some other emotions that we should try to inculcate in our children. When I say children, I mean to say 0 to 10 are positive thinking. Please बच्चे को बताइए, अगर बच्चे की कोई फेवरेट खिलौना टूट गया है तो मत बोलिए कि टूट गया, तुम ध्यान नहीं रखते हो। ऑफ कोर्स आप उसको ये बोलेंगे, यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर थिंग्स एंड मेक श्योर यू नॉट बाइंग इमीडिएटली। एक होता है ना, एक टूट गया इमीडिएटली खरीद के ले आया, योर चाइल्ड विल नेवर अंडरस्टैंड द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ टेकिंग केयर ऑफ थिंग्स। सो बट यू कैन ऑलवेज से कि कोई बात नहीं बेटा, आपसे टूट गया, बी केयरफुल नेक्स्ट टाइम, बट कोई बात नहीं, हम इससे और अच्छा टॉय लेंगे, अब थोड़े दिन बाद लेंगे, बिकॉज अभी पापा नहीं ले सकते मार्केट से, या अभी नहीं मिलेगा, थोड़े दिन बाद मिलेगा, सो कुछ भी बोलकर आप बच्चे को समझा सकते हैं दैट ही हैज टू टेक केयर ऑफ थिंग्स, बट एट द सेम टाइम बी पॉजिटिव। कोई बात नहीं, टूट गया है, हम नेक्स्ट टॉय खरीदेंगे और आप उसको ध्यान से रखेंगे। रिस्पेक्टिंग डिफरेंट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज, बच्चे अक्सर होता क्या है कि हम जो भी बच्चा घर में बोलता है हम बोल देते हैं ओके ओके, मम्मा ये अच्छा है, बच्चे ने आके पेंटिंग दिखाई, मम्मी ये अच्छा, मम्मी ये पेंटिंग अच्छी है, आपने कहा बहुत अच्छी है। पापा ये मेरी ये जो ड्रेस है ये अच्छी है, हाँ बहुत अच्छी है। कभी कभी ना भी बोलिए, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, सो दैट द चाइल्ड नोज कि ओके, जरूरी नहीं है कि वट एवर ही लाइक्स और वट ही डजंट लाइक यू ऑल्सो डोंट लाइक, सो दैट ही लर्न्स टू रिस्पेक्ट डिफरेंट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज। सी, जब बच्चे प्राइमरी में आते हैं ना, स्पेशली प्री प्राइमरी, लड़ाई किस लिए हो जाती है? मैम इसने मेरी ड्राइंग को अच्छा नहीं बोला, या कई बार बच्चे क्यों लड़ पड़ते हैं? क्योंकि मैम ने मुझे नो कहा, मे आई गो टू टॉयलेट, मैम ने बोला नो आफ्टर 10 मिनट्स, बस बच्चे को नहीं अच्छा लगा, एंड द चाइल्ड स्टार्टेड क्राइंग, ही डजंट वांट टू कम टू स्कूल। व्हाई? because ma'am will stop, ma'am will say no sometimes. So it is important that parents and learn to say no also sometimes. सी, वी कैन बाय एवरीथिंग फॉर आवर चिल्ड्रन, बट उनको नो सुनने की आदत भी होनी चाहिए, कई बार एडजस्ट करने की आदत भी होनी चाहिए। You are traveling in a metro with your child. If you see anyone standing, you can ask your child, बेटा आप खड़े हो सकते हैं, let this uncle or auntie sit, So these things are very important. This will actually help your child to grow. Remember one thing. See, children learn what they see. So if you're depicting a good behavior, your child will learn a good behavior. Then kindness, of course, empathy, ability to say no, all these things. I'll just take a minute. Yeah. So whatever behavior you want in your child, you have to show that behavior first. If I am talking rudely to my elders, if I am telling a lie, if I am making excuses, if I am watching mobile the entire day, the child is going to do the same thing. If I don't have a timetable at home, my child will definitely will not follow a timetable, because जब तक बच्चा देखेगा ना, ओके ममा टाइम, ममा टीवी देख रही है, ये ममा का डिनर टाइम है, पेरेंट्स का डिनर टाइम है, mama is reading newspaper so I have to read my book, this is mama's cooking time, and tell your child this is how I've divided my day, the same thing you are supposed to do. So they all learn by seeing you. Now, quickly, let's come to adolescent period. We know adolescent period is a transition period from childhood to adulthood, and the most difficult period for any adolescent. I think even we have gone through this period, but I think हमारे टाइम पे इतना उसके बारे में डिस्कशन भी नहीं होता था, और इतना ज्यादा एक्सपोजर भी नहीं था। आई थिंक हमारा वो स्ट्रेट ट्रैक होता था कि उस पे ही चलना है, पर नाउ लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस आर देयर, सो जितने ऑप्शंस उतना कंफ्यूजन। So psychosocial challenges of adolescent. See, because of so many psychosocial challenges adolescent feels, their emotional and social emotional journey is slightly difficult than of a child. What an adolescent goes through is first puberty changes, body में changes हो ही रहे हैं. We all understand this. Different roles in life, of course, for an adolescent, घर में वो हो सकता है अपने फ्रेंड्स का लीडर हो, घर पर वो एक छोटा भाई हो जिसकी एल्डर सिस्टर हो जो थोड़ी डोमिनेटिंग है, और मम्मी पापा के साथ ही इज अ पैम्पर्ड चाइल्ड, स्कूल में मैम इज स्ट्रिक्ट। सिमिलरली फॉर अ एडोलेसेंट, दे हैव डिफरेंट रोल्स, स्पोर्ट्समैन भी हैं, म्यूजिक भी सीखना है, मार्क्स भी अच्छे लाने हैं, फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी रहना है, टीचर्स की गुड बुक में भी रहना है. सो दे आर डूइंग मल्टीपल रोल्स, डिफरेंट रोल्स इन देयर लाइफ, एंड एवरी रोल हैज is to be performed. It's little stressful for children. Peer pressure, of course, what parents say, peers are saying totally opposite. Definitely, we all understand this is the most talked about topic. So peer pressure है, comparison with sibling and friends. Yes, ये तो हम सब जानते हैं. उनकी सोशल इमोशनल ग्रोथ में जो, आई थिंक दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्लाइड, उनकी जो सोशल इमोशनल ग्रोथ है ना, उसमें ये सारी चीजें बहुत ज्यादा इफेक्ट करती हैं, बहुत ज्यादा. एंड एवरी टीन विल डील विद these in a different manner. For some, these issues may be very nominal. ठीक है, peer pressure है, I don't care, I do whatever I want to do. Different roles है, मुझे सिर्फ 3 roles करने हैं, एज स्टूडेंट, एज पेरेंट एंड एज माई स्पोर्ट्स, एज अ स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन. So they are not much worried. But there are some children जो शायद peer pressures में struggle करेंगे, because they want to be with their friends also. At the same time, they don't want to make their parents also angry. So peer pressure ज्यादा है. Career uncertainty ज्यादा है. कहीं पे the child is very clear, I will take up science, I will do my this thing, I'll give my engineering entrance and I'll do this. Somewhere the child is very clear, I'll take commerce, I'll do MBA, I'll do this. Somewhere career uncertainties बहुत है, मैं ये करूं वो करूं, इससे क्या होगा, मेरा आगे फ्यूचर कैसा होगा, पे स्केल कैसा होगा, करियर अनसर्टेनिटीज हैं. पेरेंटल एक्सपेक्टेशन डिफर्स फ्रॉम हाउस टू हाउस. कहीं पे पेरेंटल एक्सपेक्टेशन बहुत ज्यादा है, कहीं पे कम है. और टेक माई वर्ड्स, जहाँ पे पेरेंटल एक्सपेक्टेशन ज्यादा होती हैं, वहां पे मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम, नॉट, आई एम नॉट सेइंग ऑलवेज, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम children are not able to do well. Even if they are doing it, they are under serious stress. बहुत सीवियर होगा उनका स्ट्रेस, जो होगा बहुत ज्यादा होगा. सो मेक श्योर पेरेंट्स, प्लीज कीप योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस अंडर कंट्रोल. बच्चे ने जो करना है वो कर लेगा. आर एक्सपेक्टेशंस विल रियली ब्रिंग इट डाउन, विल अफेक्ट इन अ नेगेटिव वे. Pressure to excel on social media. This is again a very important reason कि बच्चों की सोशल इमोशनल, एडोलसेंट की, सॉरी, सोशल इमोशनल जो ग्रोथ है वो इफेक्ट हो रही है. दे आर इनटू स्ट्रेस. My friend is posting a photo where he went to this restaurant on New Year party, and उसने पिक्स डाली है. मेरे पेरेंट्स तो मुझे 7 बजे के बाद घर से बाहर नहीं जाने देते. So I am being made fun at home. सोशल मीडिया पे माई फ्रेंड पुट्स अप ऑल हेप फोटोज, यहाँ गए वहां गए. माई पेरेंट्स डोंट अलाउ मी टू गो, व्हाट शुड आई पुट. सोशल मीडिया का इतना प्रेशर है बच्चों पर, टू शो दैट वी आर एट अ गुड प्लेस, हैप्पी प्लेस. सो ये शायद हमारे टाइम पे नहीं था, प्रेशर टू एक्सेल ऑन सोशल मीडिया. सो बट यस, a lot of children are facing emotional problems due to this. Excel on social media. मैंने फोटो डाली, बहुत अच्छी फोटो डाली, and children have come to me for this. Ma'am, I have some 800 900 friends on Facebook, सिर्फ 100 लोगों ने लाइक की. I said ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं मैम, बट क्या ये फोटो अच्छी नहीं है, या they are not my friends? Now how do I answer this? But that really puts them into pressure. फोटो डालने के बाद भी 100 बार चेक की जाती है कि कितने लोगों ने लाइक करी, कितने लोगों ने देखी, और कितने लोगों ने उस पे कमेंट किया. अगर कोई कमेंट नहीं किया, सो एम आई नॉट वांटेड? फियर ऑफ मिसिंग आउट, फोमो is the new thing. Am I missing out something? My friends are not giving me that much of importance. So इतना ज्यादा डिलेमा उनकी लाइफ में होता है. So some of the emotional changes I'm going to discuss which affect their social emotional health. So overly sensitive behavior during puberty, because of a lot of biological changes going on. Sometimes they feel uncomfortable about themselves. Sometimes they are overly sensitive about their physical appearance. कभी तो बहुत खुश होंगे, आज मैं बहुत अच्छी लग रही हूँ, कभी लगेगा कि नहीं, मेरे तो फेस पे बहुत सारे पिंपल मार्क्स हैं, my height is not enough, or I'm putting up weight. So they have lot of physical issues due to puberty changes. Looking for an identity. Yes, everyone wants an identity. especially adolescent. As I said, FOMO, fear of missing out, ये बहुत ज्यादा है आजकल की जनरेशन में, कि मैं अपने ग्रुप में वांटेड हूं या नहीं, यू नो डू आई हैव ए आइडेंटिटी इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्कूल में लोग मुझे कैसे क्या समझते हैं, एम आई गुड इन स्पोर्ट्स, even if there some of them are also okay if you tell them that you are famous for your mischiefs in the school, they feel okay, मैं किसी चीज के लिए तो फेमस हूँ, they take pride in this, that okay, you are famous. मुझे अभी थोड़े दिन पहले एक टीचर told me that ma'am, I told the child that you know what, everyone talks about कि how naughty you are, why don't you improve? So he said ma'am, at least I'm famous. And the teacher had no words. बच्चा कहता है मैम मैं फेमस तो हूँ कम से कम. So imagine करिए, looking for an identity is so important in this generation. They don't want to be, missed out. Feeling uncertain, adolescents may begin to wonder and think about new and unfamiliar aspects of life, as I discussed, career, livelihood, relationships. Since all of this is new and unfamiliar, when they start thinking along these directions, they feel uncertain about the future. This is the time when they enter into a new relationship, infatuation, or they may start liking someone, just a normal attraction, or they may start thinking about their career. इस समय बस सोचना शुरू ही किया है तो इतने सारे कंफ्यूजन्स होते हैं उनके मन में, दैट अनसर्टेनिटी, इरिटेबल बिहेवियर, दीज थिंग्स आर वेरी कॉमन इन देम. Peer pressure already discussed. Supporting your child to recognize teen peer pressure when it helps and hinders them, and how they can develop their own individuality, is an important role for parents and teachers. Very important. Please talk to your children about peer pressure. So, please talk to your children about peer pressure and how peer pressure can be positive. Peer pressure can be positive as well as negative. ऐसा नहीं कि peer pressure हमेशा ही बुरा होता है. Peer pressure is positive also. Tell your child that okay, sometimes if your friend motivates you, कि okay, next is maths test. Let's see who scores better. Now, child, this is a positive peer pressure. But at the same time, if that your friend tells you, okay, let's smoke, and you say no, but if he still tells you to smoke, then that's a negative peer pressure. So do tell your child about peer pressures. Then a teenager may feel stuck between how he was as a child and as an adult. For example, he might want to be more independent, at the same time might also look for support from his parents. Very important, very important. हम जानते हैं कि बच्चा इस समय अपने डिसीजंस इंडिपेंडेंटली लेना चाहता है, बट एट द सेम टाइम ही ऑल्सो लुक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट. सो समटाइम्स even if your child is asking you or not, you can always give your advice in a more subtle manner. मतलब उसको authoritarian way में मत बोलिए. This is my suggestion, बेटा, आप सोच सकते हो इस बारे में. Just say whatever you want to say and just move from there. Now let the child decide कि मुझे क्या करना है, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं adolescent period में no doubt the child wants to be independent, but at the same time he looks for your support as well. Mood swings, the most common thing. Now if your adolescent shows mood swings, don't be don't be confused, don't be upset, and also do not get irritated. कई बार टीचर्स बोलते हैं कि मैम आज इसने मुझे बहुत रूडली आंसर दिया, ही इज नेवर लाइक दिस. आई सेड ओके, कोई बात नहीं, आज थोड़ा सा मूड स्विंग नहीं होगा मूड. So, teachers, when sometimes your children misbehave, जो occasionally misbehave नहीं करते हैं, अगर वो कभी misbehave कर रहे हैं तो मान लीजिए आज थोड़ा सा mood down है, and kindly excuse and just move. But yes, if occasionally they are misbehaving or, not behaving properly with you, of course, report the thing. But sometimes, कई बार होता है बच्चे बहुत rudely answer कर देते हैं. So let's not carry that baggage, okay? Let's understand कि आज mood swing होगा. Because this is the time now of their social emotional journey, when sometimes they feel very confident, sometimes they are not confident, sometimes they are very happy, sometimes they are very irritable. So maybe जब उन्होंने आपको wrongly answer किया, maybe the child was in a bad mood. Now, interest in opposite gender is very, very common. And thanks to the TV and the novels and the Netflix and Prime and so many now to social media, that even a child who's in primary, pre-primary talks about, girlfriend, boyfriend. But ठीक है, discuss this in a healthy manner with your adolescent child. You can always ask. See, I'm not saying tell your child ki make a boyfriend or a girlfriend. No, I'm not asking you. At least talk about it so that the child knows that the gates are open. I can always come back and talk to my parents. अगर आप इसके बारे में बिल्कुल भी बात नहीं करेंगे, मान लीजिए मेरा बेटा है और मैंने उससे पूछ लिया, ओके डू यू लाइक एनीवन इन द क्लास, द चाइल्ड में स्माइल एंड से नहीं पापा, ओके, बट यू नो व्हाट, यू आर ओपनिंग अ चैनल फॉर फर्दर कम्युनिकेशन. बट अगर आप बात ही नहीं करेंगे इसके बारे में, बिकॉज आई नो सम चिल्ड्रन दे से मैम हमारे घर में बिल्कुल बात करना अलाउड नहीं है इस बारे में. नहीं, प्लीज, some you may help your child in taking a right decision or maybe falling into something very wrong अगर आप कम्युनिकेशन ओपन नहीं करेंगे. ऐसे ही पूछ लीजिए, आप अपनी डॉटर को भी पूछ सकते हैं, और क्लास में गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड तो होंगे आपके, बनते होंगे, आपको भी कोई पसंद है. आई नो वी स्टे इन इंडियन इंडियन कॉन्टेक्स्ट में, हम ऐसे पेरेंट्स, हम एज पेरेंट्स हम पूछते नहीं है बच्चों को. बट प्लीज पूछिए सो दैट यू ओपन द डोर्स फॉर कम्युनिकेशन. क्योंकि जब वो आपसे पूछेंगे तो शायद आप उनको बेहतर समझा पाएंगे. पर अगर आप बात ही नहीं करेंगे, दे वुड नेवर कम एंड टॉक टू यू अबाउट ऑल दीज थिंग्स. Now, aggression in adolescence is again a very important emotion. If your child is becoming regularly aggressive and showing aggressive in the manner means hostile or hitting someone or destroying the property, then please take it as a very serious issue. Anger and aggression is slightly different. ठीक है? Anger is just an expression of your emotion. Aggression is when you basically physically or emotionally by your words or verbally hurt someone. So make sure, गुस्सा आना अलग बात है, एंड एग्रेशन अगर है एडोलेसेंट में तो डेफिनेटली कोई रीजन होगा. उसको उससे बातचीत करिए और फाइंड आउट करिए. Depression again in adolescent is very common. I will not go into the details, but feeling sad and upset in certain situations is normal if the child is, but it is a reason of concern when these feelings of sadness continues for a longer period with no apparent cause. बच्चा उदास है, रूम में रहता है, नहाता नहीं है, doesn't eat properly or is eating too much food, not talking to people or talking too much on phone, could be signs of depression. So please understand and see. This is the reason CBSE has made counselors mandatory in all the schools. कोई भी confusion है, please go and talk to the school counselor. And there is so much on internet also. You can also go and read on internet. But yes, do not ignore the early signs of depression. There is a strong evidence of depression being linked to genetic factor also. So if you feel that family history है घर वालों की या दादा की या नाना जी की या किसी की मामा की चाचा की डिप्रेशन की, दादी की किसी की भी, तो आप थोड़ा सा अलर्ट मोड पे रह सकते हैं. इफ द चाइल्ड इज showing signs of sadness, social withdrawal for a long time, please, it needs a check. Now, see, some signs of depression, I'll quickly read. Behavior में वही loss of interest, restlessness, fatigue, हमेशा थके रहना, drop in performance, low attention span, not feeling worth, excessive frustration, irritability, fear, physical complaints होना अक्सर. See, this is again a very important feature of early signs of depression in adolescent. अक्सर बोलते रहना कि headache है, physical कुछ ना कुछ complaints करते रहना. So please keep a check on this. Psychosomatic concern, again a very social emotional feeling in children, which as teachers we should know and it is important to teach them also. अक्सर हमने देखा है बच्चे एग्जाम से पहले पेट दर्द हो गया है, बहुत ज्यादा पेट दर्द हो रहा है, फिजिकल रीजन कोई नहीं है, इट्स ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ देयर टेंशन दे आर मैनिफेस्टिंग दीज सिम्टम्स. आई विल जस्ट टेक अ मिनट, जस्ट 1 minute. There was no one as at home. Okay. So keep a check on psychosomatic disorders also. Sometimes बच्चों की एक हैबिट होती है, हैबिट नहीं होती है एक्चुअली, वो उनके कंट्रोल में भी नहीं होता है. चाइल्ड is complaining of stomach ache, actually stomach ache हो रहा होगा पर physical reason कुछ नहीं होगा, it's all psychological. So if your child complains about stomach ache or headache or vomits or feels pukish, nauseatic, this could be a feeling of psychosomatic disorder. जहां पे फिजिकल रीजन नहीं होता है पर साइकोलॉजिकली आप इतने टेंशन में होते हो कि आप फिजिकल सिम्टम्स को मैनिफेस्ट करना शुरू कर देते हो. ई एडिक्शन प्लीज लीडिंग टू लॉट ऑफ इमोशनल distress in children. E-addiction, electronic addiction. I remember we used to have only D-addiction, drug addiction centers. In Delhi, now we have 2 to 3 e-addiction, electronic addiction centers where children are taken. They are sometimes hospitalized also, so to remove this addiction to electronics. एंड आपने कुछ केसेस सुने भी होंगे वहां पे जहां पर चिल्ड्रन हैव कमिटेड सुसाइड बिकॉज देयर गेमिंग आईपॉड और द प्ले स्टेशन वॉज टेकन फ्रॉम देम. So please keep children away from these electronic gadgets. They don't require this. And even if they're using it, let them use घर पर एक कॉमन जगह पे हो, डेस्कटॉप हो, let them use it for study purpose. No gaming. They do not require these gaming. And these gaming sites are addictive. So remember one thing, खेलना है लूडो खेलिए, कैरम खेलिए, स्क्रैबल खेलिए, बैडमिंटन खेलिए, जाइए बाहर गंदे होकर आइए, no problem. But gaming, mobile games, computer games should not be allowed किसी भी घर में, should not be allowed at your house. Now, as I was talking, now let's understand how we as teachers and as parents and as school, how can we help in, guarding the emotional social needs of children. First of all, remind parents to talk to their children. I think this is very important that we keep telling our parents to talk to their children. Positive school environment. Ensure there is no bullying, there is no corporal punishment. Counseling should be a formal, it should be part of the formal education system. Extensive extra co-curricular activity so that everyone gets a chance. I may not be good at dancing or music, or I may not be good at, playing guitar, but I may be good at debating club. I may be good at, yoga club. I may be good in yoga. So it is very important that school gives maximum exposure of co-curricular activities. Teach children yoga, meditation. Start from junior classes, 5 minutes of, close your eyes and meditation in the morning. Start with 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Eventually, they would know that this is how we have to start our day. Opportunity for active participation in SUPW activities. SUPW is social, usefully productive social work activities in student counseling, celebrations. Curriculum that recognizes children learn in different ways. So, of course, there may be children with special needs. So, make sure school provides CBSE exemptions, all types of CBSE exemptions to children with the different social emotional needs or children with learning needs, different learning needs. Happiness curriculum, life skill, adolescent education program should be must. Like in our school, we have month wise. So I know for April and May, say my topic is anger management for class 7. Maybe in July, the same class I would be talking about bullying. In August, I would be talking about, say, e-addiction. So different classes, different roles, different topics. Parental involvement is very important. Keep session for parents also, because most of the time parents don't know what is peer pressure or how to handle peer pressure or how to stop their children from e-addiction. So keep sessions for parents also. You should have an anti-bullying and corporal punishment, clear policies for them. If you feel that the child is not showing any improvement and the aggression level and his regular behavioral complaints are coming, then please refer to the child to a mental health professional. provision of suggestion and complaint box in school is very, very important. Sometimes the child is not able to raise his voice ki ye particular cheese is hurting me, or it is affecting my mental health. So that suggestion and complaint box should be there, so that if anything is bothering from the school side, at least the child can put the, just write it and put it in the box. Session on mental health and adolescent issues on regular basis, very, very important. I'm not going on parents' role. I'll just stick till here. So it is very important that you talk to children about adolescent issues and mental health. We talk about anxieties. We talk about how to deal with failures. Very important. This is the topic which I take for my 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, because it is very important to tell them that failures are going to be there, but you can, you still have to face it and go on. So talk about these issues with them. And rest, yeah. And I always share this message that for parents, we as teachers, we are also parents. Parenting is beyond food, clothing, bearing their expenses, paying their school fees. It is working on their 4 pillars. That is their physical growth, social growth, emotional growth, and what was the fourth one? Social, emotion, intellectual growth. Yes. Make sure intellectually also you support them till a particular age. The child would need your help, your assistance. And this is what is to be told to the parents, because parents को लगता है स्कूल से पढ़कर आगे हो गया नहीं. You have to tell them that school is just a trailer. I tell my parents, school एक just trailer है. ठीक है, जब तक घर जाके वो रिवाइज नहीं होगा, रीड नहीं होगा, your child will not be able to perform. But all these things we as teachers understand, but yes, we need to continuously talk to parents about all these things. Keep their regular sessions also. It's very important. At least one session for one group of parents every year, like maybe for class 8, for entire parents, keep one session in a year. Okay, talk about e-addiction, talk about peer pressure, talk about all these issues which is, affecting these adolescents. So with this, I will end my presentation on social emotional learning. And I'm sorry if I was fast, because this was a very big topic and I had to limit this in 40-45 minutes. So I'm open to questions. If you have anything, you can please ask me. Thank you so much.
Anyone
Namaste,
wants
ma'am.
to ask any question?
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaskar,
I'm
ma'am.
from Bhavan Vidyalaya, Panchkula. Ma'am, you said about normal human behavior like anger, happiness, sadness, and you said that how we should know that the child should be happy.
Mm-hmm.
But how should we know that the child is really happy?
Ma'am,
Because
if your child is, no, matlab, you want me
the
to,
student basically.
no,
Sometimes
no.
what happened, they had come from a school, home only with something in their mind. Like I've seen some children, they are showing that they are happy, but they are not. They are having some.
मैम देखिए, आपको पता चल गया ना, आपको पता चल गया कि लग रहा है हैप्पी पर हैप्पी नहीं है. मैं यही बोल रही हूँ, जहां आपको लगे ना द चाइल्ड इज नॉट हैप्पी, एज यू सेड, प्लीज टॉक टू देयर पेरेंट्स. लेट्स
Okay,
हैव अ
ma'am.
मीटिंग, जस्ट टेल देम आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट. मुझे ऐसा लगता है एज टीचर, एंड आई एम श्योर पेरेंट विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी. आप
Okay.
जैसे अभी आपने कहा ना कि द चाइल्ड बिहेव्स टू बी हैप्पी बट ही इज नॉट हैप्पी.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
could
Because
sense
I've
it.
seen he is interacting with the student friends also. He's
Yes.
talking nicely with the teacher also. But somewhere when he's reading or somewhere he's working, he has
You can
something
make
inside.
out. Yes. No, ma'am, that's really good that you noticed. But now I'll suggest talk to his parents about it. And you can always say, this is what I feel. Let the parents come up. हो सकता है पेरेंट्स डिफेंसिव भी हो कि नहीं मैम ऐसा कुछ नहीं, बट एटलीस्ट आप एक बेल कर देंगे, आपने एक ट्रिगर तो कर दिया है पेरेंट को कि आई
Yes.
कैन मेक आउट दैट द चाइल्ड इज नॉट हैप्पी. सो दैट्स अ गुड ऑब्जर्वेशन.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Pompey Majumdar, ma'am, are you there? Pompey Majumdar, ma'am.
Sorry.
Pompey Majumdar, ma'am, are you there? Okay. Amit Kumar. Amit Kumar, you are there?
Yes, sir.
Please convey a vote of thanks.
Okay. Ma'am, session was very informative, and we have learned something, some new thing, and all was well, ma'am. Thank you for your
Thank you so much, sir.
competition sessions, ma'am. Thanks, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
So thank you very much. As usual, Jyoti ma'am, your session was wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
Every time we learn one or another thing. So thank you very much for your generation session. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.